Hey, this is Dave with Custom Dynamics. Today we're talking about our new ProBeam dynamic strips. We had this product out a couple years ago as a standard product, and now we're reintroducing it with the ProBeam version. These have upgraded LEDs. They're automotive grade. They're also DOT and SAE compliant. We have them in three different options. We have an all chrome, an all black, and also a contrast cut. And I'll zoom in on these and show you a little bit more. These are direct replacement for the stock turn signal housings on 2006 to 2020 Street Glide Specials, and Street Glide CVOs. They also fit 2006 to 2020 FLHX if you have removed the passing lamp bucket. They have a white DRL and a full contrast DOT SAE compliant turn signal, amber turn signal. And the retail for chrome is $199.95. The black is $169.95, and the contrast is $179.95. They also have a lifetime warranty on the LEDs. Here is the all black version. So they have a nice lens here that helps amplify the LEDs, produces a very, very bright white and amber output. And the chrome and the contrast. All right, to install these is very simple. Again, it's going to replace the entire stock turn signal bar. So this just unbolts and then you disconnect it. It'll be a little bit different depending on what model and what year it is on where the connector is. But basically you're just unbolting it, unplugging the connector, and the new one will come with its own hardware, so you don't have to reuse anything, and bolt it up and plug it in. And there you go. So you can see the nice white, very bright DRL on both sides. And then when we hit our turn signal, that white DRL will turn off and remain off for the entire turn signal cycle to be compliant with FMVSS specifications. So there's our amber turn. Again, very bright, very wide viewing angle. Even looking at this right here on the side, it's very bright in my eyes. And once the turn signal's off, back to the white DRL. So that's it. The new Custom Dynamics ProBeam dynamic strips